How to change Google Drive upload date. So if you want to change your Google Drive upload date, then Google Drive doesn't natively allow users to directly alter the upload or modify the date. These timestamps are automatically set by Google Drive based on most recent upload or modification event. However, there are some clever workarounds that can employ to effectively achieve your goal. The primary method involves re-uploading the file you want to alter the date for. Think about this message as simulating the upload of a new file, which can be useful if you're aiming for your document to appear as if it was just added to Drive. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you need to start by downloading the file in question from your Google Drive. Like for example, if I want to alter the date for this one, you need to just go with the right side which has that download option and click on download, and it will start the download process. Just wait for a few seconds till it downloads. Now as you can see that the file has been downloaded, right? Now once the file has been downloaded, what you need to do is the second step is to delete the original file. You need to go with the three dots which is on the right side and then just go with move to bin or trash or delete. Just simply go and delete it. Now once you've deleted, you need to go with the folder that you've just downloaded and now upload it again. And once you've uploaded, wait for it to upload. Now just scroll down, and as you can see that you've uploaded this one just right now, and the date has been modified or it has been altered. In this way, you'll be able to change the Google Drive upload date, but there's no option to customize it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.